start it at the swing, which is that side. All right, so now we're going to throw the last component in, which is the spring that will knock that little lever back and forth on a perfect oscillation. Drop that wheel right there and have that center of the spring, which has a little knocker right in the center. Once you drop that in, so that's not a good fit because that wheel is above and it's rubbing against that gear. That's not a good thing. So we want to slip this wheel underneath everything and have that center about to engage and knock that pallet fork one time. There we are. So that is how a maker, that's the moment of truth for the maker. If all the components were dropped in correctly. By the way, this little hole here is where the screw goes. Once I lock that down, then I start oiling. So that is the maker's job.